exhibit sa Tuesday sa
Museo ng Angeles.
Museo ni
Angeles.
Ako sa'yo sa Angeles. So, syempre sa Angeles yun. Yes, sa Pampanga.
Ano yung paraffol mo?
So,
Paraffol mo?
Art, ayusin mo yung ganito.
more or less kasi, yung lang talaga sila nung nag-start sila Sheila. Yan si Sheila, palaki ng palaki po ang display. Baka next year may bundok na yan. At kung gana yan, kasi nagko-commute yan, imagine niyo na. Pag may sasakyan yan, ano dala-dala yan, nakakatakot. Kasi ano yan. Pero okay, guys, thank you po sa mga nag-effort. Pero hindi pa po tayo tapos na doon sa mga tayo. Kasi nagkakalit mo, kasi makalimutan sa mga police. Kaya wala ako na hindi ko naman akalain na ganyan kalalaki yung mga ano nyo, no? Nagmukha kaawa-awa yung mga ano namin.
Hello.
Ang mag-start muna tayo ng ano, ng ano tayo color? Rosa. Sino-sino sa siya mag-ano ng for repay for miniatures. Yung video para sa video wall, para madaling makita. Tsare.
Check na lang natin.
Wala yun. Yan. Hi, Rosa.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Good afternoon. Thank you, Ma'am Isabel Casas, for inviting me to this event. I am more known to everyone in Facebook as Wed and Rosa Rodriga. And that is a shared Facebook account of husband. Usually, it is mine, but since he doesn't have Friendster, he doesn't have Facebook, so he joined the, now he's doing more of it than I am. Okay, an introduction about me. I am a teacher, part-time teacher in Assumption College, in Everest Academy and in Relational Design. That's my job in the day. But that is actually just my hobby. Yung aking job, talaga ako ng artist. And I always tell everybody that. But this one, I'm here, I was asked to demonstrate workshop about repainting doll furniture. Like Ms. Marie said, ayaw natin bibili, so let's make it ourselves. It is less expensive, it is creative, and it's art. Yes, please, come in front. You can come here. You can put your seats here so you can see how it's done. I think I've had some people here. Pamela, thank you. We just have fun. Everybody else, thank you. I'm really excited for you. Yes. Some works that I've had done in the past years. One is music scale.
Natalie.
This is from the Merfield Craft Room.
Very Coney Island.
This is for the toy coin I produced this for figure collector. These are in different scales. And if there is any scale that I would want to try in this one, those one. Yes. Now I have here. I have here my first repaint. This one is a Mattel 1987 kitchen console or set. It used to be pink with lots of stickers. So I said I want to try and make it look realistic. So I picked this color, I picked these accessories, I did a lot of sanding and a lot of scaling of these print out pictures. Now it took 4 weeks. We're just, that's not working on it the whole day. It's working on it a few hours a day, then waiting for it to dry, or we want to work on it patient. Okay. We also have this for demo. So at this one, I'll demo today. It's a model also. This one is, I think, a phone stand. I think someone has seen this somewhere. These are parrot toys from different brands. This one is a stool. I'll show you how to take it out and everything. This one is already primed or prepared with white. It used to be pink also. So much. Okay. I'll run through it as I know it's nice. The one that works for me. Other miniatures, hobbies, in Europe or the US would say that these methods are, say,
Sa likod ni Mata.
backward, but rough. They would still call it rough. But it's the way it works for us here in the Philippines because we have to be resourceful, creative, and we want it less expensive, you can waste food. Kasi they have all the money, all the space, and all the materials. Tayo,
Fits.
although we can work
Wala,
for
tapos
fun,
ko na to.
still spend money because there are prices. First, safety. We need an apron, we need a dust mask, or a gas mask for repainting.
Dito siguro. Nasa
For the
likod.
bigger kind, you need proper ventilation. So air
Ito pwede mo.
conditioning is not enough. You want it outdoors. You're doing this. I have all these things. Safety,
Sa
I
likod
don't use
siya.
gloves. I use a really wide table and I use the more expensive materials for tools. Not the cheap ones because cheap cutters.
Smile ka.
Cut you. Buy the really nice cutter versus materials. I have paints. You can see here, aerosol paints, volume spray paints. There are, say, two kinds in the market. These are industrial kinds.
How many dolls do you
And these are the hobby kinds. They're the same in
Ito, dito.
use,
Ito.
but these are really, really high grade.